Hey guys, we are in the year 2020, and if you are an IT geek who is thinking to learn programming language but is not able to decide from which you can start from, here is my team including Ritik Goel as video editor, Nand Krishan as content writer, and myself Shreya Garg as an anchor, presenting a list of top 10 programming languages which have been shaped in our market since the beginning of IT era. Now, this is the reason why there are dozens of programming languages these days in our industry. So, we have put together a list of top 10 programming languages that you should learn to succeed in the year 2020. So, let's get started. At number 10, we have Kotlin. Kotlin is a Google endorsed programming language that now has become the most loved programming language. It is originally developed by JetBrains and fully operable with Java and comes up with no limitations. It also supports functional programming, having the applications as Android and web development, desktop development, server-side development too. Kotlin has been used by companies such as Uber, Pinterest, and Postmates. The salary range of Kotlin developers starts from 2 to 5 lakhs per annum. At number 9, we have Swift. It is a general-purpose, open-source compiled programming language developed by Apple. So, if you are the one who wants to develop native iOS or Mac apps, it is ideal for you. Swift is deeply inspired by Python. It is fast, secure, easy to read and learn. Applications of Swift are Apple app development, software development. Companies which are using Swift, just like Apple, can give a salary of 3.6 to 4 lakh per annum. Coming to number 8, we have Scala. It was created in the early 2000s. It also supports object-oriented and functional programming. It is designed to solve the problems that we face in Java. It is statistically typed and can be compiled into Java bytecode and executed in Java Virtual Machine. The applications of Scala are web development, data analysis, and data streaming. Companies which are using Scala are Meetup.com and New York Times. The salary of Scala developers starts from 4 lakhs and can go up to 5 lakhs per annum. At number 7, we have C++. It is one of the most efficient and flexible language. It was created back in 1985 and has remained high in demand due to its performance and reliability. It also supports OOPs and have rich libraries. The applications of C++ can be seen in game development, web and mobile solutions, desktop applications and embedded systems too. Companies which are using C++ are Adobe, Photoshop, Microsoft and Google. The salary of C++ starts from 4.2 lakh per annum. Coming to number 6, we have C#. It is fast, easy to learn, object-oriented, and its rich libraries make it one of the popular choice after C++. Its first version was released in 2001 and it uses almost similar syntax to C and is fully integrated with .NET and has easy integration with Windows. The applications of C# are VR games, Windows 8 and 10 game development. Companies which are using C# are Canara Bank and Cadila Healthcare. The salary of a C# developer can start from 4.5 lakhs per annum. At number 5, we have PHP. This language has an interesting story. It was created for a purpose of maintaining personal homepage and now it has taken over 83% of the websites globally. It is used to create websites, web pages written in HTML. The applications of PHP are to develop static or dynamic websites. Companies which are using PHP are Facebook, Yahoo, and the salary of a PHP developer can start from 2.5 lakh and can go up to 3.5 lakh per annum. Coming to number 4, we have Java. It is one of the most popular programming language that you have heard. It was created by James Gosling in 1991. Java Virtual Machine makes it cross-platform compatible and offers most number of jobs. It is popular among developers community. The best thing about it is that it is open source, platform independent and secure language. Applications of Java can be seen in scientific applications, banking and financial services, web development, desktop development. Some companies using Java are HCL and Infosys. The salary of a Java developer can start from 5 lakhs and can go up to 8 lakhs per annum. Now, we have come to top 3 programming languages. So, At number 3, we have JavaScript. It is one of the most popular programming languages for front-end development and increasingly relevant to back-end development. It is rapidly expanded into areas like game development and the Internet of Things or IoT. It allows the developer to build interactive websites and is truly an essential web tool technology alongside with HTML and CSS. The applications of JavaScript can be seen in game development, web and mobile development, desktop too. Companies which are using JavaScript are Microsoft and Google. The salary of a JavaScript developer is 3 to 4 lakhs per annum. And at number 2, we have R. The R language was designed by Robert Gentleman at the University of Auckland. The project was conceived in 1992. The language R is comprehensive and statistical analysis language which encourages you to develop ideas. R is an open source software and it is good for GNU, Linux and Microsoft Windows too. It's quite difficult to learn R as compared to Python. The applications of R can be seen in data science, statistical computing, machine learning, and you can also call it a language of the future. Companies which are using R are Cognizant and Accenture. The salary of a R developer can start from 7 lakh per annum. So, we have reached to the number 1 programming language, and I think almost all of you have guessed. That is our Python. The Python has been a growing programming language. Python-based web development framework like Django and Pyramid have gained more and more popularity. The best thing, it is open source and easy to learn. It is most demanded language, and if you are a beginner, you can learn it, and it is a high-level language and is easy to read and comprehend language. The applications of Python are web and desktop development, network servers, machine learning, GUI-based desktop applications, data science, enterprise and business. Companies which are using Python are Instagram, Spotify, Amazon and Facebook. The salary of a Python developer can start from 3 lakhs and can go up to 4 lakhs per annum. Hey guys, this is the end of our video on top 10 programming languages. Thank you.